cinnamon swirled French toast on the griddle. Let's go. First thing we're gonna work on is our glaze. We're gonna start off with half a stick of melted butter. We got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch blended cinnamon and sugar. And we're gonna go in with a healthy amount of that right there, and we mix. While everything else is going, go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. That way it can thicken up a little bit. For our French toast, we're gonna go ahead and add 3 cracked eggs. To our eggs, we're gonna add in some coffee creamer. I like Italian sweet cream. Probably a 1/4 cup or so. And then we mix. For the bread, we're using brioche. Just gonna dip that in there. Make sure we're coating it real nice and well and set it to the side. While our bread is soaking, we're gonna go down with some bacon. Throw some of that bacon grease back up on the hot burners, and we're gonna put our French toast directly on the bacon grease. After flipping, we're gonna cover it with that glaze we made. I believe our French toast is done. Go ahead, put them up on a plate. All right, y'all, well, there she is right there. Beautiful breakfast, French toast with a little cinnamon glaze. Got us some bacon right there. Couple of things before we go in for a bite. I use coffee creamer. I've used coffee creamer for years instead of milk. If you use coffee creamer, you're gonna have some really sweet, good tasting French toast, as well as the brioche buns, brioche bread. I feel like that is just the superior bread for French toast. Y'all let me know, what would y'all do different? What would y'all add or take away from this? What do y'all think of it? Leave me a comment down below. Let's go ahead and go in for a bite. Right, got us a nice stack right there. Look at it, nice and coated with that cinnamon sugar glaze. That is killer, absolutely killer. If y'all love eating sweet things for breakfast, this is a must make. So good. Well, I hope y'all like this simple little recipe right here on the griddle. If y'all would, leave me a like, comment with any questions, subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all in the next one.